Hello, and thank you for trusting Reed Nissan with your vehicle servicing needs today. Today, we're discussing one of the most crucial aspects of vehicle safety, which is the performance of your tires. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, your tires are your constant connection to the road. Let's explore why replacing worn tires is essential to keeping you safe and driving smoothly. Your tires are your vehicle's foundation. They provide the grip and stability needed for every turn, stop, and start. Over time, tire tread wears down, reducing your tire's ability to perform their job. This can affect everything from your vehicle's handling to its stopping power, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Worn tires can mean longer braking distances and less control, which can put you and your passengers at risk. Not sure if your tires need replacing? Here are some key signs to look for. Low tread depth. Tires with less than 3/32 of an inch of tread are considered unsafe. Uneven wear. This could indicate alignment issues and mean your tires are wearing out faster than they should. Visible damage, cracks, bulges, or punctures in the tire sidewalls are red flags. Vibration. Feeling vibrations while driving could be a sign your tires are worn or damaged. Increased risk of blowouts. Worn tires are more likely to blow out, especially at higher speeds. Reduced handling. Worn tires struggle to grip the road, making your vehicle harder to control. Hydroplaning. In wet conditions, worn tires can't channel water effectively, increasing your chances of losing control. Lower fuel efficiency. Worn tires create more rolling resistance, meaning you'll spend more at the pump. Investing in new tires brings numerous benefits. Better traction. New tires provide optimal grip, crucial for safe driving in all weather conditions. Improved handling. Enjoy a smoother, more responsive driving experience. Peace of mind. Knowing your tires are in top condition allows you to drive with confidence. Your safety is our top priority. If you think your tires might need replacing, don't wait. Visit us at Reed Nissan, now the home of the all-year buy 3 tires, get 1 free special. And remember, all roads lead to Reed.